Okay, so here we go. So today's warm-up is introducing you to a sequence. And it says, for each of the following explicitly defined sequence rules, find the value of the stated element. So I want you to know that even though the term sequence may not be something that you're super familiar with, you do recognize that A sub n is the same thing as writing it like this, which you guys saw when we did f of x. So when you're evaluating A of 20, we call it A sub 20. That just means you replace the n with a 20. That's all you're doing. So let's see. A sub 20 equals 1/2 times 20 plus 7. Well, what is half of 20? 10. And what is 10 plus 7? So A sub 20 equals 17. Does that make sense? Did everybody get that? Hello? Did you guys get that? Raise your hand. Raise your thumb if you did get that one correct, because you were supposed to do that one on your own. Okay, so for the next one, we still have the same function. It's a sequence, so B sub n, which is no different than if I had written it like this, f of x, and we're doing B of 4, so that's the same thing as saying substitute in a 4 for the x. Only we're substituting in an n, replacing the n with the 4. So let's see. B, ooh, that's too fat, sorry, it's too thick. It's gonna make me just feel nauseous. Okay, so B of 4, or B sub 4 equals 5 times 2 to the power of, we're replacing the n with a 4, minus 1. Okay, that's an exponent. What is 4 minus 1? 3. So this is the same thing as saying 5 times 2 to the third. What is 2 to the third power? What is 2 times 2 times 2? It's 8. So what is 5 times 8? What is 5 times 8? 40. It is sweltering in here. So B sub 4 equals 40. B sub 4 equals 40. You can put it all into your calculator. That's what I was going to say. So if you were to grab your calculator, you can actually just type into your calculator 5 parenthesis 2 parenthesis, and then use your caret button and do 4 minus 1. I want everyone to do that. Holy cow. I've got to plug this fan in. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, you can put this right into your calculator. It'll do the thinking for you. So grab your calculator. 5 parenthesis 2 parenthesis caret, and then 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is going to stay up at the exponent position, and then just hit enter, and it better give you 40. Okay? Did everyone get 40? Yes? And did you get it? You got 200. Okay. Perfect, perfect. All right, so let's do the next one strictly using our calculator. We're going to do the next one strictly using our calculator. So example C, 4c of n is the equation 2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1. So we're evaluating C of 8. So let's see, C of 8 equals 2 to the power of 8 minus 1, and then we have to drop down and subtract 1 again. So here are your calculator buttons. You're going to do 2 caret, and you're going to do 8 minus 1, and then you have to use the right arrow to drop back out of the exponent, and then do minus 1 again. Let's see. 32 is 5, 64, 128. It should be 256 minus 1. I think it's 251. What is 2 to the 8th power? 2 to the 7th. Wait, 256, 5, 12. So did you get 127? So it's 2 to the 8th is, because I did 2 to the 8th power. I didn't subtract 1. Yeah, 2 to the 7th is 128 minus 1 is 127. So c to the 8th equals 127. Okay. Questions about that? Okay. That's our warm-up for today. You guys can, I know that they're tiny, but it's because it's it's just a 3-day kind of gig.